Want to disable 5G on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra? In this quick guide, I'll show you the simple steps to switch to LTE and potentially improve battery life while maintaining a stable mobile connection. To get started, open the Settings app from your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear-shaped Settings icon. Once you're in Settings, tap Connections, which is usually located near the top of the menu. Next, scroll down and select Mobile Networks. Here you'll find various options related to your cellular connection. Tap Network Mode to view the available network preferences. If your Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra uses two SIM cards, you'll see separate network mode options for SIM 1 and SIM 2, allowing you to configure each line independently. In the network mode menu, you'll likely see 5G, LTE, 3G, 2G Auto Connect selected by default. To disable 5G, simply choose LTE/3G to 2G Auto Connect or LTE Preferred depending on the options available from your carrier. Your phone will immediately stop connecting to 5G networks and will instead use LTE and other supported network technologies. That's all there is to it. Your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Galaxy S25 Ultra is now set to operate without 5G. If you ever want to re-enable 5G, just return to the same network mode menu and select the 5G option again. This simple adjustment can help optimize battery performance and provide a more consistent mobile experience in certain locations.